What's going on, guys? Sino here. Today I have a different type of video that I've never done. It's going to be how to connect the new Canon mini printer to your phone and print out pictures from your phone and print it out from here. So let's get started. So the first step you need to do, like all these other types of videos, is download the Canon mini printer app. And once you do that, you need to, on the side there's a power button. You hold it down for a couple of seconds, you turn it on, and then you go to settings, you go to Bluetooth, and then you click Canon mini printer, or it'll pop up and you just have to press join, like this, allow, and then once you'll see this screen once you downloaded the app and did all those steps, and then after that you would press the little mountain picture thing, and then you can pick any photos you want. You can pick any photos you want. So for example, I'm going to pick this one of my dog. And then when you're ready, you would press this blue circle with the printer icon on it. And you would just press that. And now it's starting to print. And as you see right now, it's starting to print. It'll take a while, but it'll get there. After about 10 seconds or so, it'll pop out right of the printer, and there you go, there's your picture. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped. Oh, and by the way, you can peel off the back and like stick it onto like a wall or a surface. And by the way, this thing has 0 ink, so you just buy paper and stick it in and you print. The ink is actually in the paper already, so that's why you don't need to buy any. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped, and peace out.